Hello guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to add money on Revolut, and there are a few ways how you can do that, and you can add your money to your Revolut account and card. So first of all, subscribe to this channel and leave a like on this video. And now when you open up your Revolut application, you're gonna go to this homepage basically and then click add money right there. After this, you're gonna choose the amount you want to transfer, and you're gonna, of course, choose a way how you want to add that money. As you can see, there's Apple Pay on my account, but you can actually go and click change, and you will have a lot of options. So there's like Easy Bank Transfer, salary, cards. So the cards are usually what people use. There are others like regular bank transfer, Apple Pay, and some other credit. So you basically choose your option. So for example, let's choose Easy Bank Transfer. Then you're gonna choose a bank to transfer everything from. You're gonna enter all the details and send money to this Revolut account, local or Swift. And after that, you're gonna, as you can see, there's now Easy Bank Transfer option. You're gonna choose the money you want to add and click continue and add the money.